Oh, bright orange, spirit of ecstasy. What's up guys, Supercar Blondie here. This is an exciting day. That right there is my Rolls Royce Wraith Black Badge and it has gone through a complete makeover. This is super exciting for me to announce. I've just expanded my Supercar Blondie team and they're all here as well. So I'll introduce you to them. Come over here and check this out just before we do the reveal. Look what they do. This is actually Cardip. This is a peelable paint that they spray on top of the car. So instead of getting a wrap, you see how there's no edges. The color wraps around the entire panel and it looks then like factory paint. And they've been working on this for about 2 weeks. I've had to hire people just so that they can provide smoke at shoot. Hit it, Nathan. So this is my brother-in-law, Nathan. He has actually flown over from Australia to join the Supercar Blondie team.
Expert smoke machine person.
Yeah, that is literally all he's allowed to do.
It's all I'm qualified to do.
Yeah, if he does anything else.
So look how good I am.
You're rocking it. I'm so glad I hired him, totally worth the money. All right, then I have Kate. Little sister Kate.
Hey guys.
So I don't know why I've hired her yet. We'll figure it out.
I'm going to clean Supercar Blondie's car.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, awesome. So now I've got a smoke guy and a car cleaner. Sergi. You guys know Sergi? He's been on my channel now for a little while. So now we're a family of 5 and we're expanding. So I'm excited.
Big happy family.
Guys, come on in because I want to show you, let's all experience this together. There have been 3 main players over the last few weeks to bring this together. Saeed from Cardip. Let me just introduce you really quickly. So he runs the place here, done an amazing job. Just to show us your face quickly so we know who you are. There we are, look at that smile. And then we have Dimitri from Carbonov Design. So he's actually worked on the design of the car, all right?
So this is just a company car, right? That everyone can drive on a daily basis.
Yeah.
This is just my car.
Yeah, no, that's not happening. No. All right, maybe next week. If you wash the car every day, I'll let you drive it maybe once a week.
Is it worth it? Is it worth it?
Oh my goodness, guys, Nardo grey Wraith with Hermes orange accents. How freaking cool does this look? Here's the first coolest feature, come with me. That actually 3D embossed my logo on the side. Look at that, can you see that? So my glasses, it's my face on a car.
Nice.
Something I never knew I wanted, but now I love.
Touch it, guys. Touch it.
So you can see, this actually was super difficult. This was actually super difficult to do. You guys were going back and forth for like a week.
It's very, very difficult.
My designer Dimitri suggested embossing something on the car, and so we're like, well, should we do my logo?
Yes. We combine the 2 technologies, like the stickers and the peelable paint.
Yeah.
Because underneath is stickers, and then difficult work to apply peelable on top.
We're living in the future.
Seriously, I've never seen this before, and the reason why I love it is because it's so subtle. You can't see this in every light. Otherwise, I wouldn't want like my face smack bang on the side of the car. It's just not classy. But in that kind of like subtle embossed way, I really think that is a special feature. Okay, now this is really freaking cool, guys. Look at these rims. Right, these are 24-inch rims from Vossen, and I actually was a bit scared that they might be too big because this is unheard of, getting 24-inch rims on a Rolls Royce Wraith, and it actually took 3 weeks to source tyres to go with these rims, and then we had to source people who would actually get the tyres on the rims,
Yes,
right?
it's also very difficult.
Which is also very difficult. Dimitri's like, this has been a nightmare project, but they made it happen. We have, of course, matched the brake calipers to the Hermes orange line here as well. Now, can you guys see this? This is the second emboss feature. This is a big SB. That looks, whoa. Oh no, you're not wearing,
What did that stand for?
Stupid, boy.
So this same as my cap, right? Actually, your one is on that side.
Oh yeah.
See, that's the face logo.
Well, where can you buy them?
Well, not yet. We've got a whole new caps and stuff coming out soon, but oh, the coolest thing ever! Whoa! Wait, look at this! Look at this! All right, you ready for this?
Well, are they ready?
Are they
I've
ready?
never
Are you
seen
guys
it.
ready? Are you ready? This you've never seen before. Watch this.
Be you, a little you.
Mate. No, it's not actually. Damn, we should have thought of that.
That wouldn't be a bad idea.
No, that's too much. That's crazy. All right.
Naruto running.
Are you guys ready? This is freaking sweet. Oh, bright orange spirit of ecstasy. Oh, look how cool that looks. Like, come back from a distance.
Wow.
Look how sweet that looks. I love that. I love, 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 love. So we've got this, we've got these here, just like little orange details everywhere, which I love. They're just beautifully placed. And then in the interior, because these guys at Cardip do everything, literally everything. So on the interior of this one, I just wanted a little touch of orange. Look at these nice bright orange seat belts. And I just love how they can completely match everything. Like the range of colours they have is insane. That's the only thing I've changed on the interior so far. Let me know if you think I should do any more accents on the interior or the exterior, if you think there should be another accent somewhere in orange.
There is a moment with which we break the standard. The Rolls Royce sticker is finishing here, but we follow the shade.
True.
The rules have been broken.
The rules have been broken. Yeah. So Richard, rules rewritten. Do you repaint the Rolls Royce on top? Right.
What we do is actually, this is all a peelable paint. So we don't remove the calipers, we just mask around it.
Yeah.
And then we
And then
spray
you can
it.
just peel it off.
We can just
literally.
peel it off like,
I love that.
Very
So
easy.
with a wrap, sometimes I got a wrap once and I peeled off the wrap and it actually damaged the paint underneath.
yeah, because it leaves some residue
Yeah.
probably. And it varies between quality to a different quality.
Exactly.
But a peelable paint doesn't leave any residue
Yeah.
underneath, so it's very easy
You just
to
pull it off. What happens, guys, is instead of getting a PPF, like a protective layer over your factory paint, what you can do is you can get a Cardip, which is this peelable paint. It protects your original paint color underneath. So it works as protection and it works as like a whole new paint job. And I actually never want to get a wrap again. You guys do such an incredible job.
Thank you so much.
You blow my mind every single time. And the next one in your office here
Yes.
is going to be my 720S. And a massive thank you to Boston as well for giving me these wheels. I absolutely love them. Watch what happens when I turn these Vossen wheels. Ready? Can you see that? Watching, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so at the moment, because the wheels are so big, 24 inch, it's actually touching the body of the car, so I can only drive in a straight line forever.
Corners are overrated anyway.
Corners, who goes over? Don't need corners. Did you
So
find
30
this yourself?
degree you can.
Dimitri is going to have to modify this panel here and push it back so that the wheel and the tyre actually clears that area. I actually thought this was going to look way too big, but now that I see it, it gives the Rolls Royce such an incredible presence that I think it's totally worth it. I love that. That's it. All right. I hope you liked my little introduction. Woo! And thank you guys so much for watching. All right. Love ya. I think we're out. Bye.